In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on stake future while examining the stake cost estimate for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything basically is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like stake. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the stake value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that stake is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will stake succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will stake value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what stake in a real sense is in its to-date history. Stake value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town in a significant manner. Financial backers really are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous fundamentally play, and subsequently the auction in an unpretentious manner. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts in a genuinely large way. At the present time, Bitcoin quite to really find a base before we can move in the especially inverse course and alter the course incredibly. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to sort of do likewise. We have seen this situation many basically times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which for the most part is genuinely critical. We expect whales and genuinely other greater players in the market to really wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike amazingly. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and essential evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab, in spite of prevalent thinking. 2023-01-26 plus 7.20% $0. 5680-2023-01 272.12% $0 5186-2023-01 281.42% $0 5224-2023-01 292.25% $0 5180-2023-01 301.04% $0 5244-2023-01 310.66% $0 5264-2023-02 plus 1.70% $0 5389-2023-02 5.43% $0 5011-2023-02 030.71% 52 cents STAKE value forecast 2023 high expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, in spite of prevalent thinking. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with essentially huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively kind of really great for the bulls in a significant manner. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Captain Altcoin's expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the sort of last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 11.37% $0 4696 2023 Blemish 32.18% $0 3593 2023 APRA 31.52% $0 3629 2023 May 20.40% $0 4218 2023 June 13.80% $0 4567 2023 Jul 13.11% $0 4604 2023 AUG 6.60% $0 4949 2023 SEP plus 1.52% $0 5379 2023 OCT plus 7.55% $0 5699 2023 NOV plus 15.69% $0 6130 2023 DEC plus 18.23% $0 6265-2024 Jan plus 22.40% 64 cents STAKE value forecast 2025 to 2030 2040, which is very critical. Our forecast model sees stake arriving at new highs in 2025. $1.34 STAKE cost in 2030 and 2040 ought to explicitly be 2 or 3 significant degrees higher than our 2025 expectation in an unpretentious manner. What stake will be worth in 2030 amazingly. Our anticipating model sees stake coming to $0 in 2030. What stake will in a real sense be worth in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner. Our estimating model sees stake coming to $0 in 2040, which essentially is very critical. Will stake swap generally outperform, sort of surpass Bitcoin? No, stake won't for the most part supplant or surpass BTC. Will stake reach $100? Though, our expectation model sees no opportunities for stake to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How high will stake go, or so they really thought? Our estimating model sees stake cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is stake worth purchasing? In opposition to mainstream thinking, we don't see a splendid future for stake. It truly merits purchasing just as a momentary hypothesis with a decent leave technique. Stake especially is certainly not a decent long-haul hold. Is stake a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Stake is certainly not a wise interest as we would like to think, or so they really thought. Why? Indeed, it sort of countenances a furious rivalry from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't in every way that really matters have a certifiable local area, and the group behind the undertaking is problematic. Can stake really make you a tycoon, or so they generally thought? Though, stake might not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from now on, or so they in every practical sense thought. How genuinely much will stake be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach 30 cents. For what reason will stake in every way that really matters succeed and get more expensive? Stake generally has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage. It brings no essentially extraordinary offer. It really has a feeble group and little local area behind it. All of this basically summarized forestalls stake to succeed in ascending cost for the in every way that really matters, long haul. What is the transient expectation for stake? Stake will reach 30 cents in the for the most part next 90 days, which is a 42.4% change over the ongoing cost which floats around 52 cents. Stake value expectation today. What will be the cost of stake tomorrow, as opposed to mainstream thinking? Stake will truly float around 55 cents tomorrow in an unpretentious manner. When to sell and leave stake especially. That relies upon your exchanging profile. In the event that you have faith in stake and generally think it in a real sense has a brilliant future, holding the coin for in every way that really matters, at least 2 or 3 years is smart. Taking benefits on wise speculations is a far and away superior thought. So on the off chance that you are perched on 100-200% or significantly more acquires on your stake, changing out a piece of the assets generally is definitely not a terrible move. Could stake crash and truly go to nothing, which by and large